This game offers 1. Spelling fun outdoors. Traditional spelling practice can be dull for kids, but taking it outside adds excitement and keeps them eager to learn. 2. Multi-sensory experience. This activity engages visual, kinesthetic, and auditory senses, boosting memory and learning retention. 3. Avoiding burnout. Outdoor learning in a fresh environment prevents the monotony that can lead to burnout. 4. Catering to all styles. Kids with different learning styles, visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, all benefit from this active spelling game. 5. Guide-child connection. Parents and educators get involved in their child's education through interactive outdoor spelling fun. 6. Practical learning. This activity shows kids the real-world relevance of spelling, making it relatable and important. For more details, read the caption below.